were babies, walking was such a celebrated activity. Those first steps we made filled everyone around us with excitement. But as we got older, walking lost all its glory. What if we could change that? What if we made walking exciting again? It doesn't matter if you're slow or fast. The important thing is that you enjoy the beauty this country has to offer.
Way down that road we made, time to face the day. Get up, quit waiting for it. Drive away down that trail we blazed. Time to take the day. Get up, quit waiting for it. Quit waiting for it. Quit waiting for it.
Don't stop this ringing in my ear. I'm done running from the fear. Can't wait just to be right here. So let go, let's go.
There's a whole world that I just don't know, and I'm still not sure what the future holds. But why wait for it to unfold? So let's go, let's go. I'm feeling something strange I can't ignore.